Hey, this is on-the-job workout. Real quick, real easy that you can do throughout the day. 5 different moves. First move is a squat. Whether you use your resist-a-ball or a chair, you can take it back to where you sit into it, pushing your booty back. I'm holding onto the desk to make sure I don't fall back, but you don't have to hold on. Do about 10 to 15 of these reps. The next one would be a push-up. Wide hand grip so that my elbows don't flare past my wrists, making sure that the chest comes to the desk. If the desk is too low for you or you want to go lower, you could go to the floor or take it to the wall. The next one is a wall sit. This is again working the legs, trying to get a 90-degree bend in the hips, 90-degree bend in the knees, pushing into the wall so I'm holding that wall up and really activating the quads. Hold this for 30 seconds and then go ahead and come to standing. The next one is triceps, working the back of the arm, keeping the hands right up against the hips, dropping the body so where the elbows go to about 90 degrees and pushing yourself back up. Again, 10 to 15 repetitions and going slow helps to activate those muscles just a little bit more. The last one is a plank. I'm going to take it straight line from my head to my toes, holding that belly button in and holding right here, just counting to 30. If you want, you can use the desk, go a little bit lower. I can do that on the ball or the chair or even on the floor. And that's all you have. Takes no time at all and you can repeat that throughout the day.